Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to work with Python maps. Have you ever wondered how to transform your data into something more meaningful and easier to work with? If so, this is the video for you. With Python maps, we can take our data and manipulate it in a way that makes it easier to read and analyze. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what maps are in Python. A map is a built-in function that allows us to transform a collection of data from one form to another. We can use maps to apply a function to every element of an iterable, such as a list or tuple, and create a new iterable with the results. This is particularly useful when we need to perform a transformation on each element in a list, but don't want to write a loop or list comprehension. To use a map, we need to pass in a function and an iterable. The function will be applied to each element in the iterable, and the results will be returned in a new iterable. Here's an example. In this example, we define a function square that takes a number and returns its square. We then create a list of numbers, and use the map function to apply the square function to each element in the list. Finally, we convert the map object to a list and print the result. And there you have it! That's a quick introduction to using Python maps. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python programming tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.